After the summer-autumn rice harvest, farmers in the upstream area of Dong Thap are opening sluice gates to let the seasonal floodwaters into their fields. The water brings nutrition-rich silt, restores the soil, and marks the start of a new season of making a living from the floods. More in the following story.
At Bảy Ngõi Sluice in Thuận Phước commune, the gates slowly open, allowing muddy, silt-rich water to flow into the fields. The sluice supplies water to a 750-hectare protected area. It is the first area in Dong Thap to receive flood water this year, after the summer-autumn rice harvest.
Once the rice is fully harvested, we notify local authorities and farmers, then open the sluice to bring it silt for the 2026 to 2027 winter-spring crop.
As the water rises, fish, shrimp, and other aquatic species enter the fields to feed and reproduce. Farmers quickly bring traps, nets, and boats into the flooded fields, placing their fishing gear along the current to catch the first catches of the season.
When the water rises, people use nets, fishing traps, and whatever they can to catch fish. During the flood season, a lot of wild fishes enter the fields.
When the water rises, people use nets, fishing traps, and whatever they can to catch fish. During the flood season, a lot of wild fish enter the fields.
Before sunrise, farmers are already rowing out to check their traps. The first catches may be small, but they provide extra income and joy for local families. The floodwaters bring more than fish and shrimp. Yellow Sesbania flowers begin to bloom along the banks, while water spinach and other wild vegetables grow with the rising water.